Okay, breaking news just coming in. National Security Advisor Ajit Doval is handling the Navy COVID case after 21 Navy personnel tested positive from coronavirus at INS Angre in Mumbai. So after you have the Navy personnel who tested positive in Mumbai at INS Angre, we've got the National Security Advisor Ajit Doval who stepped in. He's handling the Navy COVID case. 21 Navy personnel have tested positive from coronavirus at INS Angre in Mumbai. That's the big breaking story that is coming in, with Ajit Doval stepping in, the National Security Advisor stepping in for the COVID-19 scare at INS Angre Navy Fleet in Mumbai. They're all, remember, residing in the same accommodation block at INS Angre, and immediate action based on COVID-19 protocol has been taken by the Indian Navy as well. Abhishek Bhalla breaking the story joins us now. Abhishek, if you could just tell us about this intervention of NSA Doval, who is monitoring the INS Angre situation at the moment. What is the latest that you're picking up?
Well, this is a big concern for the entire security establishment, and obviously, the brass across the security establishment is keeping a very close watch on the developments. The Navy chief himself is briefing the higher-ups in the government because it is a serious concern. What I've picked up from sources now is that the numbers could be much more in time to come, because this was an establishment with over 100 people living here, and many have been tested. We've got a confirmation of 21 already. The entire area has turned into a containment zone. It's under a lockdown.
Yes.
And all the personnel who were residing there are in quarantine facilities. Now, the numbers could be well above 100 who have been shifted to quarantine facilities.
Over 100 perhaps been shifted to quarantine after 21 Navy personnel test positive for coronavirus. We're getting Tanushree as well joining us for the latest on the story. Tanushree, what is the sense that you're picking up? You are in Mumbai. Could the numbers as far as the Navy personnel who have tested positive really go up? What is the sense that you're picking up? As Abhishek was mentioning, about 100 perhaps could be put in quarantine at the moment.
That's right, Chaiti, and that's a huge number, as Abhishek was also mentioning, that, it's a matter of grave concern and worry for the security establishment now that at least 21 naval officers, Indian Navy personnel from INS Angre have tested positive for COVID-19. Now, what information we have been given that INS Angre, Chaiti, it's not a ship, it's a depot, it's a base, which works for all the ships, for all the units. So it's kind of an administrative block where people live. So the entire block, the entire in-living accommodation area from where these officers have tested positive, the entire block has been quarantined. It has been declared as a containment zone. Other than that, there are contact tracing being done. We have been told that all the 21 people who have now tested positive are linked to one person, one naval officer who tested positive for coronavirus on the 7th of April. Now, he could have contracted the infection from one of his family members who tested positive for coronavirus earlier. Now, what we have been told right now is that the entire area has been declared as containment zone. Naval officers are being tested, and many of them are right now admitted in a South Bombay hospital. But yes, it is a matter of grave concern that now at least 21 of the naval officers have tested positive. Though the good part is that there is no infection as far as the submarines and all the ships are not infected by COVID-19 as of now. But the toll of infected naval officers, Chaiti, could go up because many test results are also awaited. So let's hope that the number doesn't go up. But right now, the situation on the ground is absolutely grim in Mumbai.
Well, and the number could well go up. Tanushree and Abhishek getting us those details right there. We'll continue tracking this very important story in much detail as we go along the way.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.